And then, one day, it happened. I found myself speaking English fluently. It's a proven method to get fluent in English. I did it in the past, and then over time, my confidence and fluency grew. It was a feeling of empowerment and achievement. If I can do it, so can you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my personal journey of how I become fluent in English, all from the comfort of my home. If you are looking to improve your English skills, this video is for you. Sharing my journey with you is an honor. If my story resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe now. So, let's dive right in. Speaking, the Everest of language learning for many. Speaking was the most challenging part, but practice made me more confident. I found language exchange partners online and talked to myself and even practiced speaking alone in front of my phone's camera. Do you know, it's a proven method to get fluent in English. I did it in the past, and then over time, my confidence and fluency grew. First thing first, let me tell you why I decided to learn English on my own. English is more than just a language. It's a global bridge that connects culture, people, and opportunities from travel to job prospects. I wanted to travel, connect, and communicate effectively, which fueled my determination to master the language. This motivated me to take control of my learning journey. Learning without a roadmap is like wandering in a foreign land without a map. Creating a structured learning plan was crucial for me, so I set specific goals for each month and week. This kept me focused and accountable. I started with improving my vocabulary and grammar through online resources and apps. I meticulously planned my journey, breaking it down into phases like vocabulary, grammar, speaking, and listening. And this strategic approach gave me clarity and purpose. One of the most enjoyable parts of my journey was immersing myself in English media. I started watching English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English. And these not only improved my listening skill, but also helped me understand different accents and colloquial expression. Then I understand and gathered information about English accents like standard American accent, British accent, Australian accent, and so on. Then I chose the easy one, that is standard American accent, and started watching everything, all the contents with that specific accent. Reading was another game changer for me. I began with simple books like short story, then novel, and some motivational books, and gradually moved on to more complex materials. And these exposed me to diverse vocabulary and sentence structure, and enhancing my overall language proficiency. I recorded short videos of myself speaking at regular intervals. I was starting recording only 2 minutes video every day talking about different topics and questions. Comparing these videos over time showed me how far I'd come. You can try this for 1 week and then you can share your experience by commenting on this video. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. I embraced my mistakes as opportunities to learn and improve. Don't be afraid of step out of your comfort zone. Consistency truly is the key. Even on days when I felt demotivated, I made sure to do something, no matter how small. Over time, these small efforts accumulated into significant progress. And then, one day, it happened. I found myself speaking English fluently without hesitation. And it was more than just words. It was a feeling of empowerment and achievement. So, there you have it. My journey of becoming fluent in English. It wasn't always easy, but it was definitely worth it. Remember, with a clear plan, dedication, and a positive mindset, you can achieve your language goals too. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. If my story has inspired you in any way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And hey, if you're on your own language journey, each step, no matter how small, is a step forward. And finally, your journey is unique, and with determination, you too can master English from the comfort of your home. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. Bye for now.